I am from Team 5, and my teammates are Nishant, Giriraj, Cynthia, Suchitra, and my name is Jasleen Chadda. This is our case study on a data driven approach to customer relationships and the future of artificial intelligence in the banking industry. During the past decade, the financial industry has undergone massive technology led change. Today, we discuss how Nedbank Group, South Africa's fourth largest bank, deals with their data and customer relationship problems. Now, the biggest problem with this bank at the moment was that they had the ultimatum of choosing what to do with the large amount of data that they had collected. However, they face challenges of meeting the hardware and software requirements which would be used to process the said data. The bank also wants to increase their customer engagement at the various branches that they have opened. However, finding means and the resources to do the same have been a challenge for them.
Hello everyone, myself Nishant Kailas Rohani. Talking about the decision criteria, Nedbank introduced a tool, MarketEdge, to support merchant customers to collect demographic, geographical, and transactional data. But later, Nedbank realized that they need to update their MarketEdge tool and they need to introduce integrated database for data analytics and to store all the database so that every of their executive can access the database. And then they introduced a 4 cubed dimensional database to improve their strategies and profit. Thank you.
We know that the banking industry is the threshold of the economy around the world, and South Africa's Nedbank Group is a group that offers wholesale and retail banking services as well as insurance, asset management, wealth management, and investing techniques. Nedbank has a large amount of transactional data which could be shared with merchants. They know the type of card that is used, the time of the transaction, and they also have access to the personal information of every customer around the world. They currently have three main objectives, which is the prognosis of this analysis. They need to innovate ways to develop new value added services that differentiate their various card offerings from the rest of the competition. They need to develop a better internal point of view about the value of their customers, and they also need to improve customer engagement so that customers turn into consumers and they are able to retain the people who come to them for their services.
Hey guys, this is Cynthia. I would like to talk about the alternatives that Nedbank could focus on to increase its revenue and market share, using various social media resources and marketplaces to get in more data for marketing in order to get more accurate predictions, re-architecturing the various internal operational models of the bank so that data can flow more easily from one system to another, enabling the employees to take much more informed decisions. Platforms like Power BI and Tableau can enable the non-technical resources at the bank get the data they need without affecting other systems in the banking architecture. Nedbank can also try to venture into neighboring economies where there can potential to increase its market share, revenue, and reach, leveraging market trends to focus on cost-effective products and services over the non-profitable ones in various geographic regions.
I would like to put forward few of the recommendations here. Customer satisfaction must always be a priority. The service of MarketEdge must gather enough information to feedback, reviews, and so on so as to improve their service to their customers. We need to also ensure better security policies so as the customer data is always confidential. Conducting workshops for all of the employers working here to improve the employee efficiency as well. Implementation of natural language processors to analyze better customer relationship and use of AI based technologies for better predictive analysis. Few of the implementations that can be followed would be by providing enough training and understanding on the latest fields of AI, big data, machine learning, deep learning, and much more. This will definitely ensure better efficiency from the service. Building a support team who would work solely on managing all of the customer privacy, because we always know that customer satisfaction is the first priority, and we need to conduct regular meetings so as to have a track on everyday goals, implementing softwares from the point of customer's perspective, which would be user friendly